everyone! So, it's me again, Ma'am Ses. So, kamusta kayo? Welcome sa part 2 ng concentration of solutions natin, which is the molarity or the molar concentration. Okay, so dun sa previous, sa part 1 natin, di ba, nalaman natin na molarity is the number of moles of solute per liter of solution. And molarity is defined as your capital molarity is equal to moles of solute over liters of solution. Or it can also be expressed algebraically as your molarity capital M, okay, is equal to your moles of solute N, small n, over liters of solution, your capital V. Okay, keep in mind that the volume here is liters of solution, not liters of solvent. Okay? So, di ba dun sa previous video natin, yung part 1 natin, na-compute natin yung molarity given yung mole of solute at saka yung liters of solution. What if kung ganito yung given? Meron kang molar concentration, tapos meron kang molar concentration, ayan, tapos meron kang given na volume, and then you have molar mass. Eh, ang target mo is grams. So, paano mo kukumputin to? Okay? So, una, ang gagawin mo, sulat mo muna lahat ng given. So, ang given natin dito, we have the molar concentration of H2SO4. We have 4.00 mol solution. Molar solution. Ayan. Or, pwede siyang maging 4.00 mole over liter of solution. Tama? Okay. Meron din tayong volume. Your volume here is 500 ml. And your molar mass is 98.00 grams per mole. So, ang target nating makuha dito is the mass of H2SO4 in grams. Okay? So, di ba, we have the formula M or molarity is equal to mole of solute over liters of solution. So, may dalawang ways tayo para ma-solve natin yan. Okay? So, ito yung una. Gamit tong formula na to, ang target natin dito ngayon ay, di ba, itong N? Okay, kahit ito ay in grams, 'di ba? Yung mole, pwede nating i-convert into grams. Okay, gamit tong molar mass. So, gamit to, ang magiging formula mo na ngayon ay N is equal to MB. Okay, so ito na yung formulang gagamitin natin. So, therefore, you have here N, o yung moles of solute, is equal to M, which is your, ayan, molar concentration, 4.00 mole over liter. Okay. Multiply natin yan ngayon sa, okay, sa liter dapat, di ba? Pero bago yan, dapat pala muna nating i-convert itong volume into liters. Okay? So, burahin muna natin to para hindi tayo malito. Ayan. Convert muna pala natin siya. O, convert muna natin si volume, si ml into liters. So, we have here 500.0 ml to liters. Okay? So, we all know that sa isang litro, o sa isang liters of solution, meron tayong 1,000 ml. So, given 500 ml, times 1 liter of solution over 1,000 ml solution. Okay, so cancel. So we will have 0.5. 0. Okay, so try natin Okay, so we have 0.5 liters solution. Okay? Ayan. So, may given na tayong liters. So, pwede na nating computein. Pwede na. So, meron tayong ngayong moles of solute N is equal to, ayan, 4.00 m or molar concentration or 4.00 mole over liters. Okay? So, we have 4.00 moles 00 moles of H2SO4 all over 1 liter of solution. Okay? Ayan, multiply natin ngayon sa 0.5 liters solution. Okay? So, pag minultiply natin to, we will cancel the unit of liters. Matitira na lang ay moles. Tama? Okay. So, 4.00 times 0.5 or 0.5, we have here 2. Okay, 2 moles of H2SO4. Question. Ito na ba yung sagot natin? Very good, hindi pa. Bakit? Okay, kasi ang hinahanap natin ngayon ay grams. Okay, not mole. Okay, paano natin ngayon kukuhanin yung grams gamit tong mole ng H2SO4? Very good. So, kukuhanin natin yung grams ng H2SO4 gamit tong 2 moles of H2SO4 at ang gagamitin natin ay yung molar mass nito. Ayan. Okay? So, we have here the given 2 point, kasya pa ba dito? Okay, kasya pa. So, we have 2.2 moles of H2SO4 times, so meron tayong 98.00 grams ng H2SO4 all over 1 mole of H2SO4. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin dito? Makakancel ngayon yung unit ng mole. Ayan. So, makakancel yung unit ng mole. So, cancel. So, 2 times 98. Okay? So, your answer here is 196 grams of H2SO4. So, ibig sabihin yan, merong 196 grams of H2SO4 na present sa 500 ml ng 500 ml of a 4.00 molar solution. Okay? So, ito yung unang step. Ano yung pangalawang step? Okay, dito sa pangalawang step, medyo mahaba to. Okay? So, hatiin natin sa dalawa. Ayan. So, sa pangalawang step, isahan na lang yung ilalagay natin. Okay? So, we have here, hahanapin natin yung mass of H2SO4. Okay? Is equal to, we have there the given volume, 500.0 ml. Okay? Solution. Multiply natin sa ratio ng, for every 1 liter of solution, meron tayong 1,000 ml ng solution. Okay? Multiply by, we have here liter of solution, di ba? Alam naman natin na yung molar concentration natin, pag pinalitan natin to ng ibang unit, nitong M na to is equivalent dito, di ba, sa mole over L. So, multiply natin siya ngayon. Okay? Dito. Sa 4.00 moles of H2SO4 all over 1 liter solution. Okay? And then, so, pag i-analyze natin to, maka-cancel to mamaya, itong ml na to. Cancel na rin tong liters, di ba? So, natira ay moles. So, multiply natin tong moles na to doon sa molar mass ng H2SO4, which is 98. So, we have here 98 grams of H2SO4 all over 1 mole of H2SO4. Okay? So, kung ika-cancel natin yung units niya, pakita natin na na-cancel yung unit. So, cancel si ml, cancel si ml, cancel si liters, cancel si liters, cancel si mole, cancel din si mole. Okay? Ang natira na lang is si gram. So, pag kinompute natin yan lahat, okay, your answer here is, okay, very good. We will get 196 grams of H2SO4. Parehas sila. Parehas. Okay? So, dito, itong nasa right side nyo, pinahaba lang. Pero ganoon din siya. Kasi, di ba, ito, yung una natin, kinonvert natin tong 500 ml to liter, di ba? Naging 0.5. Ito rin naman eh. Di ba, minultiply natin sa 1 liter over 1,000. Tama? Okay. Tapos, ang next step natin, i-convert muna natin yung, o isa-solve muna natin yung mole of solute, di ba? Gamit yung given na molar concentration at saka yung volume. Tama? So, ganun lang din. Di ba? 4.00 moles H2SO4 over 1 liters of solution. Multiply natin sa 0.5 liters. O, anong sagot dito? 2. Okay? So, ganoon din naman. Dire-diretso lang dito. Okay? Tapos, ito naman, from 2 moles, minultiply natin sa 98, naging 196. Ito rin, minultiply din natin sa 98, di ba? Tapos, from 500, ayan, 500 times 1 over 1,000 times 4 over 1 times 98 over 1, we have 198. So, parehas sila. Okay? So, yun lang. Yun yung dalawang ways para ma-solve natin yung given problem. Okay? So, if you have questions regarding this, pwede kayong mag-PM sa akin or mag-comment. Okay? So, thank you for listening. I hope may natutunan kayo. God bless us all.